वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्ना कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। आदर, अभिनंदन, आभार, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल. Hello and good afternoon. A very warm welcome to this auspiciously wonderful day that brings together so many people with vibrant charisma. दीप प्रकाश का स्रोतक है तो प्रकाश ज्ञान का. परमात्मा से हमें संपूर्ण ज्ञान मिले, इसलिए दीप प्रज्वलन करने की परंपरा है. तो आइए दीप से दीप जलाएं और इस शुभ अवसर का आरंभ करें. परम ज्योति दीप ज्योतिर्जनार्दन दीपो हरतु मे पापम दीप ज्योति नमोस्तुते. शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं सुख संपदा बुद्धि विनाशाय आत्मज्योति नमोस्तुते. आत्मज्योति नमोस्तुते. आत्मज्योति नमोस्तुते. जिस प्रकार दीप की ज्योति हमेशा ऊपर की ओर उठी रहती है, उसी प्रकार मानव की वृत्ति भी सदा ऊपर ही उठे, यही दीप प्रज्वलन का अर्थ है. Now, I would like to welcome Mr. Amit Tiwari, the co-founder of Gatha, to present a welcome note and to share the magnificent journey of Gatha.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. This is really a very auspicious moment for all of us. एक बहुत ही गौरव का क्षण है कि आज गाथा 2 साल पूरे कर रहा है. गाथा एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म, एक ऐसी सोच जो कि 2 साल पहले शुरुआत हुई थी भारतीय कल्चर, हमारा इंडियन कल्चर, साहित्य, लिटरेचर और कंटेंट को वर्ल्ड मैप पे लाने के लिए. इट इज such a unique initiative which brings back Indian literature along with other valuable and interesting content in audio format for all age group using the latest technology like artificial intelligence and machine learning. As we all know that in today's days and age, people are spending very hectic life, and that does not give them enough time for extracurricular activities. However, it is important to realize that every single human being needs to get special entertainment, even so often. Entertainment can also define as watching movies, listening to songs, or reading books. Also, nowadays, it has been seen during the last 1.5 years, anxiety and depression are some of the most common subject nowadays. As a result of having to deal with mental health problems, many people turn to dangerous addictions that make them forget about their problems. Healthy entertainment can help you to relax and avoid the anxiety as you escape from the concerns and worries of day-to-day activities. Gatha. It is a leading Indian culture app in an audio platform where you will find a variety of good reads of Indic language. We have currently in Hindi, we are coming up with the more regional languages from different genres. These content are organized and available in an interesting audio format. With the help of artificial intelligence and machine learning, Gatha is now going to introduce content-based search based on the behavior analysis and leverage upon increased interest-based selection, not only just the genre, title, and author-based. It is a platform where you will find a large selection of not only Indian literature, classical work, as well as modern content, but also other very interesting content in areas like travel, tourism, science and technology, inspiring stories of successful person, devotional content, spirituality, which you can conveniently enjoy in an audio format. In this 2 year, बहुत कुछ करना है, बहुत कुछ किया है. Today, Gatha has a user base of approximately 1.5 lakhs, and we have more than 10,000 content available in our platform. Last year, we got an opportunity for that. We are very thanks to IIT Kanpur. We got an opportunity to get incubated at SIICs. SIIC helped us a lot to reach to the maximum resources. और एक नई चीज जो कि इस बार हम लोग ने एक एक्सपेरिमेंट की है. बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं कि आज का यूथ, आज का युवा वर्ग लिटरेचर, कल्चर इनसे कहीं दूर हो रहा है, बट गलत है ये चीज. हमारा ये 2 दिन का प्रोग्राम जो कि गाथा महोत्सव के रूप में हम अपना 2nd एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, दिस होल टुडे इवेंट इज टोटली बीइंग ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय यूथ. वेरी थैंक्स टू SRM यूनिवर्सिटी, माय बैचमेट्स पंकज एंड पूजा अग्रवाल, जिन्होंने ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी. और आज हमारे ये छोटे छोटे साथी जिन्होंने पिछले कई दिनों की मेहनत से इस प्रोग्राम को सफल बनाया है, आज हम इसको लाइव देख रहे हैं. इसके पीछे ये युवा वर्ग है और ये वो लोग हैं जिनका साहित्य में उतनी ही रुचि है. हो सकता है कि किसी प्रोग्राम में कुछ थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे हो, बट आज का ये पूरे 2 दिन का कार्यक्रम हमारी यूथ ही ऑर्गेनाइज करने वाले हैं. इन शब्दों के साथ मैं एक बार अपने सारे ऑडियंस का और स्पेशल वेलकम करना चाहूंगा हमारे IIT कानपुर के डायरेक्टर प्रोफेसर अभय करांदीकर जी का. आपने अपने बिजी शेड्यूल में से आधे घंटे का समय निकाला. सर, वी आर वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू और उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपका सपोर्ट, आपका गाइडेंस इन फ्यूचर भी हम लोग को ऐसे ही मिलता रहेगा. इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं अपनी बात को समाप्त करता हूं एंड आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट वैष्णवी टू टेक दिस सेशन फॉरवर्ड. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Welcome once again. We all are gathered here to witness Gatha Mahotsav. Gatha, as regal and epic it sounds, works similarly, enabling listeners to submerge into a realm of themselves. It was released on 21st of July 2019 and has completed its beautiful journey with persistent audience and exuberant stories. Villains in current scenarios have taken form of anxiety and depression. Books, our best friends as we call them, in our busy bee lives, we keep them either in virtual library or in our bookshelf, where we merely go. Trouble in paradise, right? Worry not. Exclusively, Gatha has brought its elixir of audiobook with the want of author-based search, diversity in language, pot of genres, and of favorites. And yes, it's accessibility, authenticity, and accountability. You heard it right. Gatha being a wider reach and abracadabra magic spell, it connects you from your innermost sanctum. To further explore this caravan of literary symposium, today we have with us Professor Abhay Karandikar. Professor Karandikar is an Indian educator, engineer, advisor, best known for his work in telecommunications sector in India. He currently serves as the director of Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. He is one of the founding members of Telecom Standards Development Society of India and also appointed as its first vice chairman. He is the chairman of the committee to give recommendations to Government of India on size, scope, and quantum of spectrum for experimental spectrum license for 5G. Professor Karandikar, there is so much more in your intellectual personality. I hereby like to invite you for your words of wisdom.
Thank you. Thank you, Vaishnavi. So first of all, I would like to congratulate Amit Tiwari and the entire team of Gatha for completing the exciting 2 years of journey. When Amit mentioned that in the last 2 years, Gatha has emerged as the leading Indian cultural app, the audio platform, where listeners and other people can find a variety of reads in Hindi language, and I believe we will soon see in other languages also. There is a significant potential in this app, whereby the use of technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and also very innovative content-based retrieval can really give an user experience that I'm sure will be unmatched. I'm very delighted to know that already 1.5 lakh users are able to access the platforms, and its popularity is increasing day by day. It already has, more than 10,000 plus content available, and I'm sure the Gatha team will keep on adding more and more contents, and the use of technology in making this platform an enriching experience for all the audience. So my best wishes to the Gatha team for the exciting years that lie ahead. As Amit also mentioned that the Gatha has been incubated in IIT Kanpur. Over the years, IIT Kanpur has built a very strong ecosystem of innovations and incubation. And in that context, we are very proud to have Gatha as one of our incubating companies. You know that innovation is really needed for the sustainable growth of the country. And in fact, the recent economic disruptions which were brought by the COVID pandemic situation in the country has once again re-emphasized the role of technological innovations and development. As all of you are aware that in a nationwide move where our Prime Minister and Government of India has articulated the vision of Make in India and vocal for local, for making the country self-reliant. And the primary intent behind this vision is that as the economic activities grow in India, we should not be depending more and more on the imported technology and the solutions and products which are actually not rooted in our culture and our requirements. This move indeed has fueled many innovations and startups within a short time and has created new opportunities for many entrepreneurs. And I'm really very happy to see that the Gatha has emerged as a platform which is very much rooted in the Indian cultural ethos and the Indian requirements and meant and geared for the Indian audience. And of course, the technology behind this as the backend technology, I'm sure, will spur innovations that will be useful for making the basic technology of this platform as a global innovation. 2000 years ago, India was a very strong nation. Our share in the GDP of the world's GDP was almost used to be like 40%. Along with India, the China share was also equally strong. And India used to be called Sone ki Chidiya. But as the years passed, India's share in GDP today has reduced to just 7.5%. While, our neighboring country, China, still continues to enjoy a reasonable share of 18%. We as a nation really need to take, the economic growth towards the point where, we were really known as a strong nation several years ago. And in this context, innovation and technology development are really the key to achieving this. In IIT Kanpur, as I said, we have created a very strong innovation and ecosystem where companies have been incubated in varieties of applications and use cases, be it the agriculture, scientific sectors, health tech, medical technology, transportations, social sectors, and as you saw just now, an application which is really targeted towards uh, entertainment, towards reducing the stress of the people, and also bringing an enriching experience in the form of audio platforms. All these companies are contributing to the local economy by offering the global platforms, and this is where we say that we need to have we need to become really vocal for local. There are many sectors in the country, whether it is the telecom or the electronic sectors, which I really have a deep interest. Then there are sectors like health tech and the medical sectors. There are sectors like agriculture sectors. All of these sectors have been growing at a very significant pace, and significant innovations and incubations opportunities exist in these sectors. I'm sure that in the years to come, we will have a very strong, vibrant economy where opportunities for young and enterprising populations will open up for creating, new entrepreneurial activities. It is definitely the time now to create uh, an economically strong country, and I'm very sure that the talented youth of the country, of which the Amit was speaking about, will really come forward with very innovative product ideas leading to successful enterprises. As an institution of national importance, IIT Kanpur has always been encouraging young students, young entrepreneurs. We have, through the our various programs in the incubator, various programs in the institutions, we have always been encouraging our youngsters to take challenges which can contribute towards the society and the nation. Finally, I would really like to congratulate once again the team of Gatha, which has not only completed the 2 years, but also within such a short span of time has created an incredible platform which provides an opportunity for the users to access the content in a much simplified fashion than what was possible otherwise. There is an immense opportunity to expand the scope of this platform. One of that, of course, the Amit mentioned about the content retrieval, but I am very sure that this platform will bring in the backend technologies which can make it as a globally competitive platform available on all kinds of devices, whether they are the cell phones or the tablets or the laptops, and also make available subtitlings of these translations in different languages, so that the audiences with the content which are available in one language can be accessed by the users in another language. For example, the contents which is available in Hindi may become accessible to the audience which are speaking other languages like Marathi, and I'm sure it is possible these days the use of technology to enable it. Thank you very much, the team of Gatha. My best wishes for your success, and there is an immense possibility of not only making this platform as a successful enterprise, but also a very useful platform for the whole of India to use it. So thank you very much, and I'm really very happy that this movement has reached a stage, when it started 2 years back, when Amit has come and met me and was only discussed the initial, aspects of this platforms. So once again, congratulations to the entire team. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Professor Karan Dikkar. And it's truly said that innovation is a base of growth, and surely Gatha will lead that. You really enlightened with your precious words. So now I would request Akash to take you in a world of intersecting dimensions. Next voice, Akash.